Hello guys, and now it's class project time. And now you guys will be doing the class project number 3 and the last class project where you'll be creating your own gradient, okay? So to create gradient, I have showed you already in the tutorial. If any problem you guys face, you can always refer the tutorial, okay? So I'll show you guys the steps of what all need to be done. So let's get to that. First, you need to make any kind of shape using the shape tool. It can be a star, a rectangle box, a square, or a polygon. Okay. And then you can go to the fill option, and from the fill option, you can go to the gradient. And after that, choose any gradient style, as there are basically 4 gradient styles: linear, radial, diamond, and angular. Okay, you guys can choose any from there. And after that, you need to add more colors to your gradient. Keep on doing that, and minimum 5 colors you need to choose. After that, the last step will be export that particular gradient box or a gradient shape in your system, and you guys can upload it in our project section. Okay, so let's see how you guys will be doing that one. So for me, what I'll do is I'll just take a rectangle box only, and after coming to this rectangle box here, you can see I do have the fill option here. Okay, so under the fill, I will come to this gradient option, which is just beside the solid one. And from here, now I do have this option: linear, radial, angular, and diamond under the gradient. But what I'm going to do is I am going to select the linear one, as I have already told you guys in the tutorial that I like to use the linear and the radial one more. So I'll be choosing any particular color from here. Suppose I will go for something dark. Okay, I'll take this color and I will add more colors here. Okay, so what color I choose? Let me take this one, then add another box here. Now let me take something lighter. Okay, as you guys can see, I can make it according to my need, and I am able to do it the way I want. Now I do have 3, and come to red again, or just go back, take another one here, and I'll just take up a red color. I'll take a red, and last one which I'll be taking here is this color, and I will take yellow. Okay, and in all this color I can basically choose solid if I want to. If I want to fade this out, I can do that, and I can always maintain this lighting. So here I do have these 5 colors here. As you can see here, I can change the darkness here. So here I do have this color gradient, and I have selected, and you guys can also change the opacity from here. If you want it dark, you can go this side. I have explained all this in the tutorial. Now, the next thing what I'll be doing is I want to export this one. Select this, click on export, and here you can see, I can see the preview of how it will look if this one is a PNG, and here I do have the preview of a JPEG. So you guys can download whatever you want. 3x, export rectangle, and yeah, I'll just save it. And now let's view this one, and here you guys can see I do have my gradient here, in which I used 5 different colors or 5 different shades. So I'll be waiting to see how you guys make your own gradient, and want to see how you can mix up colors and also understand the designing of your color. And I'm quite interested to see all that. So take care, everyone. And I'm just hoping to see some good work from you guys. Bye.